This is called Bowman Eats Oatmeal and shares. He understands that there's a bowl and a spoon, and that the things in the bowl should go in his mouth. Good job, little buddy. He's really enjoying the oatmeal, which makes us wonder if Pete is really his dad. But we know. Good buddy. Oh, there's some oatmeal. He does have a runny nose, but that's not what's on his face right now. What are you going to do with that bowl, Bowman? Going to eat from it? Oh, are you going to share it with whoever's behind you? That's nice. I think you should eat it, though. Okay. Okay. Bye-bye, everyone.